This is a lithium battery from, it's Parts Unlimited, but it's from Bike Bandit. It has a test right here that full, medium, low, whatever it is. The blue buttons go on, that means it's pretty good. And it was $160. I mean, it's just, batteries are super expensive. Back when I was a kid, if you took a battery, a lead acid battery, and it ran out of acid, you just put a little bit more water in it, charged it up, worked fine. These new batteries don't work for shit. They only work maybe 6 months, a year, and they go tits up, which means they fail. So I'm gonna put this battery in and see if I can fire up the bike for him to get here, and then I'm gonna wash all my other bikes and get them ready to put away for the winter. The Dio is working great. I still have to put on the 36 millimeter carb, the big intake, and I have that electronics firing kit that I haven't put on yet. But since I'm moving into this house, everything's just such a mess. So I'm gonna hook the battery up and let's see what happens. And for any young people out there, or your fathers, remember that what you do for your sons and daughters now will come back for you. Thank you.